I'm CEO and founder of Tradespoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions, what to expect short-term, long-term, in terms of the trend, key support level and spiders, and trade idea of the week. Disclosures are very important. Please read them. If you're new to Tradespoon, I encourage you to pause the screen and visit the link so you understand the risk associated with trading stock or options, and then you can pause the screen to read the remaining of the disclosures. All right, we do have a workshop on Friday, 10 a.m. I'm sorry, at 9:30 a.m. Chicago, 10:30 New York time. All right, let's look at stock forecast toolbox, our neural network model based on artificial intelligence. It sees that the spiders is overbought, overhead resistance 435, supported 430. We actually closed above that level. 436.93 is, I think, the final price. Looking at the 6 months prediction, support is 418. I think that makes sense. We did break below that level at 410, but market is overbought and has a nice rebound. The bull trend is still intact, right? And we have a sharp rebound. And based on seasonality, even though models are turning lower, both the seasonality model and also the stock forecast toolbox model. But from seasonality point of view, usually market continues to grind higher. Most important news this week, there's no macroeconomic data. I think next week CPI data. So Tuesday CPI data, I think that can set the tone for the market. On one hand, it's overbought. You can see it based on the model. And if CPI print comes in worse than expected, then we could pull back. Still think we're going to have a shallow pullback, maybe worst case scenario, 200-day moving average, 425. So still relatively shallow pullback and continue grinding higher as we approach end of November. And I think it's just a matter of time to break through this overhead resistance. But again, short-term overbought. I would keep an eye on yield. A lot of it will depend on yield. Yield did pull back today. If we break through the 4.5 again, the market will go higher. If we rally above 466, market will pull back. But I do think, next few weeks it's a pattern of lower lows and lower highs in yield, and I would be a buyer into pullbacks. So I am buying into pullbacks, TLT. I'm long TLT, adding to a position. I think interest rates will continue going lower, potentially after the CPI data next week. You can watch us live here on YouTube. Search for the word Tradespoon. Click on subscribe if you like the content, if you find it useful, helps you navigate current market conditions. Please share on social media. Thank you very much and have a great day.